Today's lesson will go over Microsoft Excel's text to columns. Text to columns is a way to split information in one cell into multiple cells. For example, here is a column of data that contains the last name, first name, and birth date all in one cell. Text to columns can parse out the data from this one column into 3 separate columns as follows, and I'll show you how. First, highlight the column that has the data. Then under the Data tab, click on the Text to Columns icon to open the wizard. Here you will need to decide if the data is delimited or fixed width. Most of the time it will probably be delimited, and this just means that there's some character that tells us how to split the data into multiple cells. We know this data is delimited since there is a comma, so click Next. Here we select the delimiter. In our example, it's a comma. If your data was separated by a semicolon or another character, you can select that here, or you can even type in the delimiter in the other box. Once you've selected the comma, the window below now previews the data and shows a column break at each comma. This feature comes in very handy because it confirms that the correct delimiter was selected. Click Next. In the final step, you can pre-format the data. Excel defaults the fields to general, but if you want to change the column to text, for example, you can do that here. I'll leave the last and first names as is, but change the birth date column to date, and then select month, date, and year for consistency. You can also select the destination of the new data. If you want to keep the original data, I recommend selecting a different location, otherwise the original column will be replaced with the new data. Once you're done, click Finish. And there you go. You now have a separate column for last name, first name, and a formatted birth date. And that's how you use Microsoft Excel's text to columns. Thanks for watching.